This is already running, right? HTTPS is being supported by HTTP adapter, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it will run. Okay. HTTP and HTTPS both will run in this scenario. If you go to the general tab in this, see the transport protocol is
Both.
both, right? Therefore, both will be supported. Since this is the standard behavior of CI, therefore, CI does not have HTTPS adapter at its receiver side. It will be having only HTTP adapter. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Any
also,
further notes?
sir, also another question I have to ask with you.
Mm-hmm.
You have given me scenario, four scenario.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This one, sir.
Mm-hmm.
This is HTTP adapter, uh,
Okay.
SOAP or OData. So, sir,
This is soap. That is soap.
SOAP, yeah, sir.
This
Uh,
is soap. Then
Basically, sir, here is a need of another software of SOAP UI.
no need, man. Like you can
I can understand this, sir. Uh, Hello.
you are comfortable with Hindi,
Yes, sir.
you can talk in Hindi.
बेसिकली सर मैं ये कह रहा था कि ये जो सोप अडेप्टर
Mhm.
है इसके लिए नीड पड़ती है मुझे सोप यूआई सॉफ्टवेयर की।
यूज पड़ती है।
मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ
तो
सर।
आप बोल रहे हो कि हाँ, नहीं नहीं ऐसा कोई नेसेसिटी नहीं है। ओके, कि आपको अगर आपने सोप यूज करा है, राइट, देन यू हैव टू डू इट वाया सोप यूआई ओनली, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ठीक है, सोप यूआई जस्ट एन एपीआई क्लाइंट। ओके, it is
ओके
just an API client which helps you to test an SOAP API. That's it, nothing else. You can also test HTTPS over there. There is no issues. Okay,
ओके सर।
तो SOAP UI ही यूज करना है, it is not mandatory. ठीक है, अगर प्रोजेक्ट बोल रहा है SOAP UI यूज करना है, then you okay go for it. अगर प्रोजेक्ट ऐसा कुछ restrictions लगा कर नहीं रखा है, right, go for Postman, Bruno, like there are many API clients over there. ठीक है,
ओके सर।
अभी बताओ और क्या क्या डाउट्स।
समझा सर मैं। अब सर मेरे को
समझ गया ना?
सोप अडेप्टर और ओ डाटा अडेप्टर आप एक्सप्लेन कर दो सर।
ठीक है, अभी देखो, अभी मैं एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ। ओपन करो, सेकंड वाला सिनेरियो है ना, रिक्वायरमेंट 002, उसको ओपन करो।
हम्म,
ये नहीं, सेकंड वाला, हाँ, सोप पे क्लिक करो। अभी बताओ इसमें क्या समझ में नहीं आया पहले, फिर मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ।
ये सर WSDL।
WSDL, ओके, ठीक है। और
बेसिकली सर ये WSDL के लिए ही सोप यूआई यूज होता है, वो पूछना था सर।
ओके, समझ गया। ठीक है, देखो कैसा है कि सोप जो है ना, सोप पे जब भी कोई मैसेजेस आते हैं तो इट इज हैविंग इज देयर ओन स्टैंडर्ड स्ट्रक्चर। ठीक है, उसका एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है। सो सोप हम तब यूज करेंगे, लाइक सी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ना अंडरस्टैंड कि इसको यूज कैसे, पहले ना कि यूज क्यों करना है। ठीक है, वाई वी कैन नॉट यूज ओनली HTTPS एंड वाई वी आर गोइंग फॉर सोप। ठीक है, वाई वी आर गोइंग फॉर ओ डेटा। ठीक है, द रीजन, अगर रीजन नहीं पता है देन थोड़ा सा समझने में प्रॉब्लम होगा। तो पहला तो HTTPS समझ में आ गया है, लाइक यू कैन सेंड एनीथिंग टू इट, राइट।
यस सर।
अभी सोप में क्या होता है, सोप बेसिकली तुम्हारा एक क्या है ना कि एक एनवेलप, जैसे पोस्ट कार्ड्स होते हैं ना, पोस्ट कार्ड्स हो गया, लेटर हेड्स हो गया है, उसमें क्या होता है, पहले एक कवर होता है, राइट, यू अनरैप दैट कवर एंड देन द मैसेज इज देयर, राइट। तो अगर इस तरीके इट्स मैसेज, अभी ये एनवेलप और मैसेज है ना, वही होता है WSDL। ओके, लाइक इट्स स्ट्रक्चर, कि कैसा है मैसेज का स्ट्रक्चर। इट विल बी हैविंग इट्स सोप एनवेलप, इट विल बी हैविंग इट्स सोप हेडर, इट विल बी हैविंग इट्स सोप बॉडी। 3 चीजें होती हैं उसमें। ओके,
ओके
सो
सर।
अगर वैसा कोई सिस्टम से कनेक्ट करना है तुम्हें, या वैसा कोई सिस्टम तुम्हें मैसेज भेज रहा है जिसमें कि तुम्हारे पास ये स्ट्रक्चर या फिर इस तरीके का स्ट्रक्चर का कुछ मैसेज है, इन दैट केस यू हैव टू यूज सोप। ठीक है, अब वो सोप से मैसेज, मतलब वो सिस्टम से मैसेजेस लेने के लिए तुम्हें वो सिस्टम एक WSDL फाइल देगा। ओके, अभी डिफाइन वैल्यू है राइट, उस पर क्लिक करो। तो डिफाइन वैल्यू है ना, URL टू WSDL, उस पर डबल क्लिक करो।
URL टू,
ये
हेलो।
URL टू WSDL कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है ना, जहां पर डिफाइन वैल्यू है। ये सेकंड एड्रेस के नीचे है ना।
यस सर, खोला, उसको ओपन
हाँ,
किया सर।
क्लिक ऑन दैट। हाँ, ओके, क्लिक ऑन सेलेक्ट, क्लिक ऑन सेलेक्ट।
क्लिक किया सर।
अभी देखो इसमें कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है। हाँ, इसमें कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है राइट।
राइट सर।
तो अभी क्या है कि इसमें कोई WSDL फाइल है नहीं। ठीक है, अभी ये काइंड ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड है। ठीक है, स्टैंडर्ड कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस किया हुआ है कि अब ये अभी कैसा कैसा है कि ये तुम्हारा एक स्पेसिफिक स्ट्रक्चर में ही मैसेज को ले सकता है। यू कैन नॉट सेंड एनीथिंग टू दिस। अगर तुमने ट्राई करा होगा इसमें मैसेजेस भेजने के लिए, तो यू माइट बी गेटिंग अ 500 एरर रिस्पॉन्स
यस
एट
सर।
सोप रिसीवर, सोप सेंडर, राइट, क्योंकि
राइट सर।
यू आर नॉट सेंडिंग द मैसेज इन अ करेक्ट फॉर्मेट। ठीक है,
यस सर।
अभी अभी एक काम करो, अभी अभी गूगल पे जाओ। रुको, अब मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ। ये वाला समझ में आ गया ना कि क्या है,
यस सर।
सोप का क्या सीन है। ठीक है, अब मैं स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ, तो एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। जैसे कि हमारा ये वाला इंटीग्रेशन है, लेट मी नो कीप माय स्क्रीन विजिबल। दिख रहा है क्या मेरा स्क्रीन?
यस सर, दिख रहा।
कुछ है नहीं है। देखो इसमें क्या है कि सोप का ना, ये देखो ये होता है, ये है ना
ओके सर।
सोप, ये हेडर बॉडी। मैं तुम्हें ना ये भेजता हूँ, ये गया। अभी इसको कॉपी करो, इसको जो टेक्स्ट टेक्स्ट पे डाल राइट, उसको कॉपी करो और स्क्रीन शेयर करो। ट्रिगर किससे कर रहे हो, पोस्टमैन से कर रहे हो, किधर से कर रहे हो?
पोस्टमैन से करना था सर।
हाँ ठीक है, जाओ वहां पे जहाँ पे एरर आ रहा है ना 500 का, वहां पर जाकर के इसको बॉडी में पेस्ट करो। पोस्टमैन में जाओ, वॉलपेपर अच्छा है तुम्हारा।
थैंक यू सर।
ये नया नौटंकी हुआ है पोस्टमैन का, बार बार साइन साइन करते रहो।
हाँ, ये
बॉडी में जो टेक्स्ट किया ना उसको पेस्ट करो.
Accepted, sir.
चला ना.
Yes, sir.
अभी हाँ, अभी सीपीआई पे जाकर के मैसेज चेक करो. मैसेज क्या हुआ, कंप्लीटेड है कि फेल हो गया, क्या हो गया.
Browser.
वही समझ. हाँ. कंप्लीटेड है ना.
Deployment failed.
दिस इज रनिंग राइट.
Yes, sir. Running.
या you got this right, like how this soap adapter will work, right?
Yes, sir. But right now deployment is failed.
Yeah, like it might be some this thing. Refresh this and do it again. It is already deployed, right?
Yes, sir.
Mm. Why it is getting failed? Can you just check that? Pull this up, integration flow below. You are having that 8 boxes, right? No, no. Wait. Don't do it from there. Wait, array. Yeah, go over there. Scroll this up. Below you are having integration flow blue bar, right?
Yes, sir.
Go to deployment status. Service manager instance not found. Object store credentials could not be fetched. Store credentials could not be fetched. What are you using any credentials in this?
No, sir.
Hmm. What is that set message status? Do we have any? Can you check like if we are using any credentials or anywhere?
Mm, Sir, for API, sir, we need a credentials for send it.
This is fine. This is fine. This is fine. It's okay. Let it be. It might be some temporary glitch because the error which is what it is showing, right? It is with
Okay.
respect to your tenant background. Okay.
Okay.
Earlier version is still running over there. Okay. So this might be fixed in some time. So no issues. So now see, like there are two things. Okay. Since you are using soap adapter, so in soap adapter you are having two varieties. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One which you just use is RM. Okay, which is called as reliable messaging. Okay. So what is
Okay.
reliable messaging? Reliable messaging is something which will not wait for the response. Okay, which we called asynchronous in nature. Okay,
Okay.
you can see that. See. the content modifier, you are having your message has been reached to CPI integration flow. This is a message which you have set, correct? But in
Yes,
Postman, you were not seeing that, correct?
yes, sir.
So similarly, no, like this SOAP adapter will be working in such a way, like it is different from HTTPS adapter, right? This is the key difference between them. So if you want an immediate response, okay, you can go for HTTPS adapter and the other SOAP version, that is 1.x. Okay, 1.x usually what it does, right? It will be overwriting whatever the status code you are having. Go to Postman, go to Postman.
My screen is visible, na, sir?
I think it is lagging a bit.
Oh, lagging. Maybe it's a network problem.
Mhm. Okay.
Now, sir?
Yeah, looks like a network problem to me. No, it is still like that. Can you reshare?
Wait, sir. It is visible, sir.
It's loading. अरे यार, what is this internet? Yeah, I can see your Postman screen now. Yeah, looks better now. Yeah, see here in Postman, you can see the status code as coming as what, like 202 accepted, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, whenever you are going to use the other one, which is 1.x, okay? So this status code no will get overwritten by the sender side, sorry, receiver side. Okay, for example, if receiver is giving you 400, okay? So here in Postman, you will be getting 400, okay? If
Okay,
it
sir.
if they are giving 415, you will be seeing 415, okay? But this will not happen in SOAP RM, currently what you are using. SOAP RM will always give it 202 accepted. Okay. SOAP
Okay.
RM does not have to do anything with like what happened in CI. Something failed, something blah blah happened. Okay. So it will never bother about that thing. But SOAP 1.x does. Okay. So this is
Okay.
the main difference between SOAP RM and 1.x. You are have already having a POC for 1.x. You can test it. You can understand it.
Uh,
Go to the
we
third one.
from there I can select SOAP RM and 1.0.
Yeah. So now delete this. Okay. Delete this. Delete this adapter.
Wait, sir.
No, no, cancel this. I will tell you like from where you can select that. Cancel this.
Okay.
Delete it. Delete the sender adapter. Wait. Array, that is cancel this man. That you are deleting the flow. Below. This put this below. Drag that down. Yeah. You're seeing that delete button over there, right? No, Anshuman. Just drag this
Yes, sir.
down. Yeah. Okay. See that is deleted. Okay. So see, whenever you are how to delete anything, right? Just click on that thing. Okay. These options will come and then you will have a delete button over there. Okay. Don't delete this one. Okay. Click on center palette, sender. Click on sender. Yeah. Drag that to start. Now select soap, 1.x. Here you can select like whether you have to use RM or 1.x.
Okay, sir.
In this, the configurations are a bit different. Okay. Go to connection. See, address, same thing. Service definition, it will be manual. Okay. I will just explain you like what are these. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, it is manual. Manual meaning like it will be dependent on, like like it can accept the standard structure, the one like which you sent for SAP RM thing, right? It will accept this. Now, if you select the second option, go to second one. Service definition manual is there, right? Select the second one.
Yes, sir.
Now here the same thing, URL to WSDL, right? Here you need to upload WSDL again. Okay. When you are
Okay.
going to upload your WSDL, service and endpoint will get populated.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then you
Okay.
are having this processing status as robust. So can you just scroll down a bit in this only connection? Yeah, click on it. So here, see, here it is robust and WS standard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, two things. So either you need to select robust or WS standard as per the usage of it. Okay, like what is the need? Okay.
Okay.
So robust is like robust is what? Like robust, no, will be having more, like it will take care of the thing like whether the message is really getting delivered or not. Okay. WS standard means like it will be dependent on your WSDL, what response it needs to send in case of any failure. Okay. For simplicity, robust, you can say like robust is pretty standard and generic for all. Okay. WS standard meaning like it will be totally dependent on WSDL, entire definition of WSDL. Okay.
Okay.
Then you are having authorization and user role. So authorization and user role, you already used it, right? Like what authorization? Like currently you have selected user role, so user role.
User.
If you are going to select a client, yeah, client certificate, then in that case, you will be
That
getting an
means
option
client.
to upload the certificates.
Yes, sir.
Got
In
this, right?
yes, sir. In monitor
Okay.
section.
Yeah. WS security and conditions are same thing.
Okay.
Okay. So this will be none. And this is your body size and attachment. Okay. Right.
Yeah, right, sir.
So this was your SOAP 1.x. You are having a POC?
Yes, sir.
Already having a POC, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I.
Yeah. So you can try to use that. Okay. Like for the hands-on and just let me know like if you are having some issues in that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So any questions till now, Anshuman? Like in this SOAP, like any question, like dumbest question you can have.
No, sir. I understand why we are using a SOAP adapter.
Okay. Okay. Now, no, before going to OData, right? We will drive OData later. Okay. But I want you to do some more POCs, like on top of the POC, what you are having. So go to the first one. Go to first one.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll talk about some receiver adapter as well. Add a receiver in the edit this. Okay. Now add a receiver. Yeah. Okay. Now select HTTP adapter in this. HTTP adapter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now wait. Open a new tab. Open a new tab. Yeah. Type webhook.site.
Webhook.
Yeah. Webhook.site. Like that. Dot site. Enter. The internet is slow.
Mm, maybe, sir.
Yeah, it is slow, man. Like webhook.site usually does not take this amount of time.
Yes, sir. My internet is really slow.
Now wait, let it load entirely.
No, sir. It is visible.
Yeah, it is visible. Yes. So here, no, you are seeing a top edit button over there on the left hand, on the right hand side. Top right edit.
Mm, yes, sir.
Yeah, click on that. Click on it. Yeah. So here, see, I want you to do few POCs. Okay. One is you should be getting 200 as a response. You can. I will just drop that in the chat. Okay. Case one, status code should be 200 and message will be your message reach to third party system. In case two is data code should be 400 and message will be message. So these are your two test case. Okay.
Okay.
So see, I will just let you know like how to like create the test case here. So first is your status code 200, right? No, go back. Go back to this webhook.site. I will first explain you like how to do this. So see, first is your status code, then you are having contained. Okay. So in contained, it will be a response message always. Okay. So whatever response I have given you in the test case, like message will be, it should be here. Okay. Like your message reached to third party system will be case one. Message processing field will be a case two. Okay.
Okay.
And in case one, you should be getting 200, and in case two, you should be getting 400. 400 meaning bad request. Okay. Now you have to, like you have to make this POC. Okay. Like from your HTTPS adapter, then you have to use SOAP adapter, and then SOAP RM adapter, then you have to use SOAP 1.x adapter. Okay. So
Okay.
once you're done with that, right? Like once you're done with this, you have to document, like the test cases, like what error response you have received in each of the scenarios. Say for example, in HTTPS adapter, okay, the integration gave you 200 status code. Okay. So you have to
Okay.
take the screenshot and document that. Okay.
Okay.
Then in SOAP adapter, if you are getting, like for example, you are getting 200 as a response code. So what response you will be getting in Postman? Okay, you have to
Okay.
document that. Okay, then again, when you are using SOAP 1.x, what status code you are getting over there, you have to document that in Postman. Okay, so these three tasks you need to do before we proceed. You have, because no, like see, hands-on is very much required. Okay, unless
Okay.
you feel like the difference, like why we are supposed to use HTTPS adapter, why we are supposed to use 1.x, 1 RM, right? There is no point in moving to OData because OData is still way complex than this. Okay.
Okay. Sir, basically
So,
one thing I have to ask. Um,
mhm,
in receiver side, we have to use a HTTPS or a SOAP adapter.
that you figure out.
Okay.
That you see, you are already having a POC, right? You already did a POC in which you're sending a message to some CPI tenant, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
So in CPI tenant, you are having what? You are having an HTTPS URL, correct?
Correct, sir.
So which so now think reverse. Okay. Now think in a reverse way. You are having an HTTPS adapter, right? Sorry, you are having an HTTPS URL in webhook.site, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just save this. Save this for now. See, here you are having one URL, right? Your unique URL.
Yes, sir.
So you are having an HTTPS URL. Okay. So which adapter you should be using?
HTTP.
Yeah, HTTP adapter because you are already using it, right? Here,
Yeah.
see, you have to first look at the API thing and then decide what exactly you need to use. Okay.
Okay.
So since HTTPS, you have to hit an HTTPS URL, therefore you will be using an HTTP adapter. Okay.
Okay.
Now, see one more point in this. No, you will be learning few key concepts. Okay. When you are sending a message to your some, like out of CA, outbound to CA, right? So few things will be needed that you need to figure it out. Okay, like what are the things you need to have. Okay, whether this URL will have any authorization, okay, or not. Okay, if there is no authorization, what configurations you have to do in HTTP adapter. Okay, if authorization is there, I think you did that POC or with that integration flow one, right? In which we are sending the integration message to integration flow, right? In that,
Yes, sir.
you might remember a step like you are maintaining security credentials, security
Yes, sir.
material, okay, and then you are calling something. So I want, like when you are doing this POC, I want an answer from you, like why you have not added any security material and why you are not using authorizations for this URL. Okay,
Okay, sir.
these will be your key concept. Like if you finish this POC before tomorrow's call, like I think you will be, like you will know something. Okay, your 30-40% concept will get clear.
Okay.
Okay, because see these adapters like palettes, everything no is having their definitions. You unless you understand the concept behind it, okay, you will not be able to understand the application of it. Okay, so
Okay.
better let's go like take very small steps, do these POCs. Okay, make one new package. Okay, and in that just copy these flows and start editing it. Okay, don't edit these flows directly because these are already a running POCs which will help you later in order to understand things like how things are configured. Okay, you can
Okay, sir.
treat them as a standard for you. Okay, just make a copy and you can just make the POCs. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so now just let me know if you are having any questions. You understood, right? Like what are how you need, what you need to do.
Yes, sir.
If
I
you're having any
understand that.
doubts with respect to that, please let me know.
Uh, in both case, we have to do in a single iflow.
No, no, no. Yeah. Obviously. Sorry. Yeah, obviously, you have to do it in a single flow. See, I think, are you sure? Yeah, like you are going to make only one single flow.
No, sir.
How many
We.
flows you are going to make? Sorry?
I'm saying that, sir. Both cases are involved in single iflow.
That is correct. See, total you have to make three flows. Okay. For one flow, there are two test cases, meaning in total six test cases. Okay.
Okay.
So
One.
two test cases for one flow, then two test cases for second flow, three test cases for third then another two test cases for the third flow. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I think till tomorrow you will be occupied with this.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow we are going to have a call, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Hello.
Just give me a minute. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Tell me. Yeah, like whenever our next call is, right? By that time, let's figure this out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So let's take these steps and then let's see. Fine, right?
Right, sir.
OData, like OData is the big giant. Okay, OData is a big giant. I will just tell you both sender and receiver at the same time. Okay,
Okay, sir.
in our next gathering.
Sir, okay, sir. I will complete this POC.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is your good
Okay.
name?
My name is Vivek.
Vivek. Okay. Thank you, Vivek, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, sir.